What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix keyboard not working on Windows 10. We will discuss the method and the steps you have to choose to fix the keyboard not working on Windows 10. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Alright, now let's talk about the method. Method 1. Restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows to the back date when your PC was working fine and your keyboard was working correctly. So what you have to do, click on start, type in here rstrui.exe, or rather than you can simply choose it from here and click open. As you can see, the restore point is not created on my PC. That's why it's not showing me that the restore point is there. What you have to do, you have to click on next and then you'll see the restore points in there. Whenever a computer install any software or uninstall any software, our PC create a restore point which is known as automatic restore point. If you have created any manual restore point, then it's gonna show up like a manual. But I presume none of you have created any restore point on your Windows 11. So you can simply select the automatic restore point when your Windows got updated or when you installed any software on your PC. By selecting that, you simply have to click on that restore point, and once you'll click on that and click next and apply, and before you start the restoring your PC to the back date, I would like you to go with that scan option as well. You'll see a button up there which shows like to check all of the changes gonna happen after restoring your PC to the back date, which I think you already know. However, I suggest you to check that as well. Method 2. Troubleshoot. Here you have to troubleshoot the keyboard settings. Click on the Windows icon, click on settings. Here scroll it down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll it down. Here in the keyboard, click on run. It gonna start detecting the problem and it gonna fix your problem if you have any issue, which can be fixed by following the troubleshoot method. After doing this, simply close it and close settings as well. Method 3. Device manager. Here you have to open a device manager and then you have to make some changes. There are the 3 things which you can do in device manager. You can simply do a right click on start, or either you can type device manager in start. I would like to go with right click, click on device manager. Here you'll see the device manager. Here you have to find keyboards, double click on it, or either click on this arrow. You'll see standard PS/2 keyboard driver in here. Do a right click, click on update driver. Select search automatically for driver. If it helps you to update your driver, then it's good. If not, you can click on search for updated driver on Windows Update. If that works for you, then that's also good. If not, then you can go with browse my computer for drivers. Here click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you can select this, click on next and close it. It's gonna show you a screen system setting changed. Do you want to restart your computer? Click yes, and that's all you have to do in device manager. Method 4. Start key. Here you have to use your keyboard, but as your keyboard is not working, then you need on-screen keyboard. For on-screen keyboard, click on Windows icon, click on settings, click on accessibility and scroll it down. You will find keyboard in here. Click on it and turn on this on-screen keyboard. Click on this option and you'll see your on-screen keyboard. That's what we want. Now we have to go to registry editor. I already have a keyboard which is working, so I'm just gonna simply use that one because that's an easy way and the fastest way to show you all the settings and thing. So let me do that, right? So what you have to do, click on Windows icon, type in here registry, you can see that. Click on run as administrator, click yes. Before you make any changes on your registry editor, make sure you do a backup. Click on file and click on export. Select desktop and type in here backup and click save. It's gonna take some time, approximately 1 minute or more than that, less than 2 minutes. It's not gonna take that long, I'm pretty sure about it. And after making a backup as we have in here, now we have to start changing some settings. Here you have to click on H key local machine, do a double click on it and you'll see the list. Here you have to do a double click on system. In system you have to search for current control set. Here we have current control set. And this one we have to search services, we have it in here. Now we have to search one of the difficult folder with the name of i80. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press I on my keyboard and we have i8042PRT, right? That's what we want. Now in here you have to do a double click on this start key and change the value to 1. And click OK and restart your PC. Method 5, command prompt. Here you have to type some command to fix and to run some of the file or to replace some of the files. So what you can do, simply click on start, type cmd, click on run as administrator, click yes. Here you have to type 3 commands. You have to type all those commands line by line. I'm not gonna show up on this video because if I'm gonna show that all the commands in this video, then this video gonna be longer than I expect. So what you have to do, you simply have to type the command and then press enter. For an example, if I type sfc space /scannow, that's the last command you have to use, then press enter. And there is a first command which is known as sfc space /scanfile is equal to c : /windows /system32 /ieframe.dll and then press enter. The same thing you have to do with the second command, which I already mentioned in the description. So you just have to simply type those commands in cmd and run those commands and restart your PC to check if that help you to fix your problem. I'm pretty sure our method gonna help you to fix your problem, and if it helps you to fix your problem, make sure you let us know in the comment section which method you have used and you got your problem fixed related to keyboard not working on Windows. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.